Have you ever paused to consider the remarkable diversity of languages spoken across our world? It's a tapestry of communication, a symphony of sounds, where each word, each phrase holds a unique melody. Imagine around 7,000 languages echo across our planet, each with its own rhythm, syntax, and story. Yet, this rich diversity teeters on the brink of extinction. More than half these languages, these precious threads in our global tapestry, are at risk. They're fading away, silencing voices that have spoken through centuries, voices that hold wisdom, tradition, and heritage. Now picture Papua New Guinea, a small nation, yet it stands as the most linguistically diverse place on Earth. Over 800 languages resonate through its mountains, forests, and coastlines. 800 different ways to express love, joy, sorrow, and wonder. 800 distinct narratives flowing through the daily lives of its people. This is the marvel of language diversity. It's not just about words or syntax, it's about identity, culture, and history. Each language is a living testament to a group's journey, their experiences etched into every word, every phrase. In the face of such diversity, every conversation becomes a journey into a new world, a world that's waiting to share its tales, its wisdom, and its spirit. So, let's embark on this journey together, exploring the myriad ways we humans have found to express our thoughts, our dreams, and our humanity. Indigenous cultures, often overlooked, hold a wealth of knowledge and unique traditions. Nestled in every corner of the world, from the icy plains of Siberia to the dense rainforests of the Amazon, approximately 476 million indigenous people thrive, each belonging to one of the around 5,000 distinct cultures. Each culture is a treasure trove of stories, art, beliefs, and knowledge systems that have evolved over thousands of years. Let's journey to East Africa, where the Maasai people have a fascinating way of tracking age. Forget about the Gregorian calendar. The Maasai measure age not by years, but by significant life events and stages. The birth of a first child, the killing of a lion, the construction of a house. Each milestone carries a unique significance and marks the passage of time in a Maasai's life. This system, deeply rooted in the community's culture and survival strategies, is a testament to the richness of indigenous knowledge systems. The beauty of indigenous cultures lies in their profound connection with the land, their resilience in the face of challenges, and their preservation of age-old traditions. They are the custodians of a vast proportion of the world's linguistic and cultural diversity, and their sustainable ways of life offer valuable lessons in an era grappling with environmental challenges. A wealth of wisdom lies within these cultures, waiting to be discovered and appreciated. Inclusivity is not a modern concept, but a tradition deeply rooted in many cultures. Let's journey to South Asia, where the Hijra community, traditionally recognized as a third gender, has been a part of the cultural fabric since ancient times. This diverse group, comprising of transgender, intersex, and eunuch individuals, has a rich history that defies binary gender norms. Their existence is a testament to the incredible range of human identity, reminding us that gender is not a two-color tapestry, but a kaleidoscope of experiences and expressions. Now let's travel thousands of miles to Southern Africa, where we encounter the beautiful concept of Ubuntu. This is more than just a word. It's an ethos that emphasizes humanity, interconnectedness, and mutual respect. Ubuntu can be translated as "I am because we are," a philosophy that highlights the importance of community, reminding us that our individual success is intertwined with the well-being of others. It teaches us to see each other not as competitors, but as companions on a shared journey. From the Hijra community's unique identity to the communal spirit of Ubuntu, these traditions serve as vivid reminders that our world is a rich tapestry of diversity. They challenge us to see beyond our own perspectives, to embrace differences, and to find unity in diversity. Inclusion is not an obligation, but a celebration of our shared humanity. Food, an integral part of any culture, showcases the incredible diversity of our world. Let's take a culinary journey to Peru, a country known for its unique gastronomy. Peru's terrain, with its varied climate, yields a staggering 3,000 varieties of potatoes. Each one, with its unique texture, color, and flavor profile, adds a distinct touch to Peruvian dishes. This diversity of crops is a testament to the richness and adaptability of our world's ecosystems. Now let's shift our focus to the Silk Road, a network of trade routes that once connected the East and the West. The Silk Road didn't just facilitate the exchange of goods, but also ideas, knowledge, and importantly, food. Imagine the aroma of spices from the East infusing the cuisine of the West, or the taste of exotic fruits from the West, tantalizing the palates of the East. This exchange of culinary traditions led to a fusion of flavors, techniques, and ingredients that still influence our food today. As we savor the tastes of different cultures, let's not forget the stories they tell. The humble potato from Peru, the exotic spices from the Silk Road, they all tell tales of human ingenuity, exploration, and resilience. Every bite tells a story, a testament to our shared history and diverse cultures. Festivals and celebrations are platforms where cultural barriers dissolve and unity thrives. When we turn our gaze towards India, we find the Holi Festival, a vibrant spectacle of color and joy. It's not just about the riot of hues that paints the streets and people alike, but it's a celebration that transcends social class, age, and religion. For that one day, everyone is equal, each person a canvas for the other's color, each laugh a testament to shared happiness. The Festival of Holi embodies the spirit of inclusivity, of unity and diversity. Then there's Nowruz, marking the Persian New Year, celebrated by numerous communities across the globe. It's a time when people come together to welcome the freshness of spring, to share stories and meals, to honor their shared heritage. From Iran to Kazakhstan, from Afghanistan to parts of India, Nowruz is a tapestry of traditions that promotes inclusivity and unity. It's a celebration that transcends borders, that binds diverse cultures in a shared acknowledgement of renewal and hope. These celebrations, and countless others worldwide, remind us that it is possible to find common ground amidst our differences. They show us that when we celebrate together, we're not just acknowledging our shared joy, but also our shared humanity. They teach us that inclusivity isn't just about tolerance, but about celebration, about understanding that our differences make us unique, but our shared experiences make us one. In joy and celebration, we find our shared humanity. Education is the key to understanding and appreciating our diverse world. Let's travel to New Zealand, where a unique educational approach is being adopted at the Rainbow School. Here, the curriculum is not solely focused on academia. It incorporates Maori traditions and values. This approach fosters cultural diversity and understanding from a young age. It's not just about reading and writing. It's about learning to appreciate the rich tapestry of human cultures that make up our world. Now let's fly over to Bhutan, a small kingdom nestled in the Himalayas. Bhutan is known for something quite extraordinary. Instead of focusing on gross domestic product, Bhutan prioritizes gross national happiness. This holistic approach to well-being emphasizes cultural preservation and environmental sustainability. And it's not just a philosophy, it's a practical approach that's woven into the fabric of Bhutanese education. Children are taught to value their cultural heritage and the natural world around them. They learn that success is not just about economic gain, but about leading a balanced, fulfilling life. Our global classroom is evolving, embracing the myriad cultures that shape our world. From the Rainbow School in New Zealand to the classrooms of Bhutan, inclusive education is building bridges of understanding and respect. It's teaching us to value diversity, to learn from one another, and to grow together. Inclusive education is the foundation of a diverse and harmonious society. Art and media are powerful tools in promoting cultural diversity and inclusivity. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Africa, Nigeria's film industry, fondly known as Nollywood, stands as the second largest in the world. It's a creative powerhouse, churning out a vast array of films that beautifully reflect the country's rich tapestry of diverse cultures, languages, and experiences. Each film is a vivid window into a world often unseen, showcasing stories that resonate with audiences on a universal level. Across the Atlantic, we find Mexican artist Frida Kahlo, whose work is a testament to the transformative power of art. Kahlo's paintings frequently incorporated elements of indigenous Mexican culture, while also exploring themes of identity and disability. Her art challenges our perception, urging us to see beyond the surface and appreciate the depth of human experience. Through art and media, we see the world through a multitude of lenses. Innovation, when inclusive, can greatly enhance our collective well-being. The power of inclusion is beautifully illustrated in the concept of frugal innovation in India. This approach to innovation focuses on creating cost-effective solutions that cater to the diverse needs of communities. It's a testament to how resourcefulness and creativity can drive meaningful change even in resource-limited settings. On another continent, in the heart of Africa, we find another inspiring example of inclusive innovation, the kente cloth from Ghana. This vibrant, intricately woven fabric was originally reserved for royalty, but it has since become a global symbol of African identity and heritage. The kente cloth transcends borders, weaving together threads of history, culture, and innovation to create a tapestry that is as diverse as it is beautiful. Inclusive innovation is not just about products or technologies. It's about creating solutions that value and celebrate diversity. Because when we do, we find that innovation thrives when it embraces and celebrates diversity. So we see that cultural diversity and inclusivity are not just buzzwords, but the very fabric of our collective existence. They are the threads that weave the tapestry of our world, coloring every aspect of our lives, from language to traditions, from cuisine to celebrations, from education to art, and even to the innovations of tomorrow. Their importance cannot be overstated. As we embrace our differences, we discover our shared humanity. A diverse world is indeed a rich world,